Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The situation on the chart hasn't really changed. The market did hold its most recent support area and we did not get that signal that a local downtrend would start. Remember, in the previous video I communicated that it minimally would take a break below that 2,878 level to suggest that wave 2 to the downside has started. What's the situation? So we have a 5-wave move to the upside. We could already count it complete earlier today. At least the potential was there. But as I said, further extension is possible, especially given that we never reached the target area, which we now have, which is great. So circle wave 5 target area, this is here, between 3,028, so the 38.2 extension to which the market has reacted. And the next level would be 3,233. So in that area, I'd be watching for potentially that wave 1 to complete. But that is contingent on market signals. I will not confirm a top in place. We need to see a signal first. Also, I have this trend channel here on this chart, so we can simply extend the trend line and maybe the wave 5 might find resistance there and complete. So again, for everybody who missed maybe the previous videos, the idea is that this here is a 5-wave move, which we can label again wave 1. So it's followed our bullish pathway. I have added already earlier, well, yesterday it was, this support area here. I am not locking it down yet. It really depends on where the price is eventually going to top. I just have this support area there, not as a target, but as a level to watch in case the pullback starts from now. Maybe I should take it out again. We'll see how the market develops. I think at the moment there is absolutely no indication the top is in place. Ether has reached $3,000. I think I mentioned that already a year ago. At the time I was laughed at. It could never happen in an environment where we have recessions and so on. You know how it works. But we simply follow the trend. But again, we are probably still very early on the ETH chart, still very early. Tomorrow we are going to take a look at the daily time frame as well again, but at the moment I can tell you, yeah, we have 5 waves up, and in the 5th wave also 5 waves. It is, however, not confirmed yet that a top is in place at all, and I still need to see a break below the last swing low, and that is now at 2,888 to suggest that some kind of a top is in place. Can still stretch a little higher in the short term. We don't want to call a top in place. Extensions always happen, especially in third waves. Now you might say, oh, but this is a wave 1. Yeah, but within an even larger third wave. If you watched the previous videos yesterday, then you'll know about that. But we will cover that tomorrow again. At the moment, in case we break that support level now and come down, well, then the main support area is between 2,328 and 2,667. Might not take that long, this pullback. But as I said, there's no way to confirm it has started. And ideally, we still stretch a little higher, possibly to touch that upper boundary line of the trend channel, or to even reach the 61.8 extension. But then this might require at some point a reconsideration of the microstructure, because the 5th wave is technically full, and even the 5th wave has 5 waves now, as you can see here. At least when we zoom out, okay, when we really zoom back in, yeah, I mean, it's possible that we get another squiggle higher, absolutely, So we want to wait for that break of that last swing low to suggest that the wave 2 has started, and this wave 2 would then be an ABC structure, A, B, C. Just want to be crystal clear here. I'm not telling you that the wave 2 has started yet. And those levels that are present there, those Fibonacci levels, they are just the standard support levels for a wave 2. They are not yet targets because I haven't got any start of the wave 2 confirmed, and I don't have any price data from within wave 2. Only then when we get a little bit of price data, we can calculate targets. But if I don't even know that wave 2 has started, that is unfortunately impossible. So yeah, I mean, that's interesting. Then I wanted to show you, I mean, there's not much more to say here, really. What I want to show you is the ETH BTC chart as well, because I think this is actually looking really good and is following our projection. Yeah, so we had obviously this long downtrend from 2021, reached our target area there, reversed. That was not enough to confirm we have a low in place. We then had a 5-wave move to the upside, 3 waves down. I highlighted to you, if we see the next 5 up, that would be a good confirmation that a low is in. I think we might have 5 waves up now. I'll see how it develops overnight, and then once we get the next corrective pullback, that is probably like the last warning we will get before it really escalates. Okay, because then Ether could start to outperform Bitcoin. We now have 5 waves up above resistance. That's what I wanted to see, to have further confirmation that Ether is starting to outperform Bitcoin. Because just consider the bigger picture. We've had this downtrend, 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 down. It actually started already here in 2021. So this is now the first time where we could actually see a reversal. I think it's going to go crazy, potentially, with a break above that trend line. And you see the trend line on our smaller time frame. We're not far away. Yeah. So please keep that in mind. Yeah, tomorrow we're going to take a look at the daily charts. Just want to give you a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.